Here off adder using NAND gates. So we require how many gates? We require 6 gates to construct the NAND gate, and we require 8 NOR gates to construct the off adder circuit. So here we are having the expression is what? Here we are getting this expression, okay, final expression. From this expression, this is this expression, okay. From this expression you have to realize A exclusive R of B, okay. You have to get the same sum output from this expression, okay. We have to realize that expression. And same carry, what carry is nothing but what? A dot B. Carry is nothing but A dot B. So here this is A dot B. What is the output carry? A dot B, okay. So here you are giving AB bar, and you are getting this AB double bar, that is AB carry. See here it is wrong, carry AB bar they have given. What is the carry output? Here we are having AB, so this is the AB, okay. AB bar double bar means AB, okay. So this sum output we have to realize, okay. So first see this construction, how I am constructing this, okay. So this is what the construction of a NAND gates. So if we see this construction of NAND gates, what is happening? I am using here 4 logic gates to construct the sum output, okay. So here to construct the sum output, here I am taking one NAND gate, one NAND gate, one NAND gate, and another NAND gate. So here what I am doing, here I am fetching direct A output to this, okay. I am direct fetching B output to this, and the output of these I given one output to this and one output to this, and this both outputs I am giving to another NAND gate, okay. So here what is the output of this first NAND gate? The first NAND gate, what are the inputs I am giving to this first NAND gate? A and B. So A and B NAND gate కి ఇస్తే మనకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది? AB bar వస్తుంది. So and this AB bar I am giving as another input to this NAND gate, okay. For this NAND gate I am giving the input AB bar as well as another input coming from here, that is what? A, okay. So I am giving two inputs for this NAND gate. What are that? One is A and one is AB bar, and I am giving another inputs to this NAND gate. What are the inputs to this NAND gate? I am giving B as one input, and the output which is coming from this NAND gate to here, okay, that is AB bar, okay. And these two inputs I am giving to this NAND gate, okay. So here what is the output of this NAND gate? So first, what is the output of this NAND gate? So inputs are A and AB bar. So output is A into AB bar. Because this is NAND gate, this is whole bar. This is the output of this NAND gate. And coming to the output of this NAND gate, the inputs are B into AB bar. So B into AB bar whole bar. This is the output of this NAND gate, okay. So I am giving these both inputs as input to another NAND gate. So what is the output of this NAND gate? What is the output of this NAND gate? This is A into this one is the output of this NAND gate, okay. So now I have to realize this expression, okay, to get A exclusive of B, okay. So from this is the realization. So first this is the output of the previous NAND's output, okay. So what I am doing is, first I have to the conversion of SOP and POS rules as per. So first I have to break this bar, okay. I am breaking this bar, and I am keeping this multiplication as a sum, okay. Conversion of the product into sum, okay. Conversion of product into sum. This is conversion of product to sum rule and sum to product rule, okay. So first I have to cut the bar, okay. So here what I am doing is here I am splitting this bar, okay. I am splitting this bar as this. So I am getting here 2 bars, here 2 bars, and I am writing this product as plus, okay. Next 2 bars means 2 bars cancel, okay. Final expression what I am getting here? A into AB bar, B into AB bar, okay. This expression again I am splitting here. AB bar I am splitting as A bar plus B bar, and AB bar I am splitting as A bar plus B bar, Okay, so again I can multiply inside a into a bar. Okay, a into b bar. Okay, b into a bar. Okay, b into b bar. So a into a bar is 0, b into b bar is 0, because if we consider we are having the standard De Morgan's rules. A plus a bar is 1, a into a bar is 0. So final expression what I am getting, a into b bar plus a bar b. Okay, so that can be written as what, a exclusive of b. This is the sum output. What is the carry output? Already we have a into b. A into b means what? A into b means what? Just I am taking two NAND gates, I am tying to another NAND gates. What is output I am getting? Tying two inputs. Okay, so AB bar I am getting here, AB bar whole bar. So means AB. This is the carry output. This is the sum output. This is carry output. Okay, this is the off adder realization using NAND gates. Okay, off adder realization using NAND gates. So here so I have completed what here, this sum output I have realized, and I have got sum output as well as carry output from this NAND gate. 6 NAND gates are required. And next, off adder using the NOR gates. Okay, off adder using NOR gates. In off adder using NOR gates, how many NOR gates we are required? 8 NOR gates we are required to construction the off adder circuit here. So same here again, if we construct this NOR gate circuit. Okay, same this NOR gate circuit, what is the output you are getting? This is the output you are getting. From this again you have to realize. Okay, how we are realizing. See, this is the expression. This is the expression of NOR gates, or final expression output. So again I am 2 bars means I am cancelling these 2 bars and writing the final expression here. And again I am splitting this a plus, I am splitting this, plus means dot and plus means dot. I am splitting this expression, and దీనికి 2 bars వచ్చేస్తాయి, దీనికి 2 bars దీనికి వచ్చేసేస్తాయి. అగైన్ స్ప్లిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏమైంది, 2 bars అంటే ఇది పోతే a ప్లస్ b అయింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా a ప్లస్ b అయింది. అగైన్ ఇన్సైడ్ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాను, మళ్ళీ a ఇంటూ a బార్ b ఇంటూ b బార్ 0 అయింది. ఫైనల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఏమొచ్చేసింది, ఏ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ b వచ్చేసింది. సమ్ అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేసేసింది కదా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సమ్ అవుట్పుట్. సో ఇదే ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇక్కడ డిరైవ్ చేసింది, నేను అక్కడ డిరైవ్ చేశాను. ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ నుంచి నీకు ఏమొచ్చింది, ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ నుంచి ఏమొచ్చింది మీకు అది. సో ఫైనల్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ సమ్ ఏమొచ్చింది, ఏ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆఫ్ బి వచ్చింది. అండ్ సేమ్ క్యారీ కూడా ఏమొచ్చేసింది, ఏ ఇంటూ బి. ఓకే, so this is what off adder using NAND gates and NOR gates. Okay, in next video you'll be seeing the full adder circuit, okay, with basic gates. And also we are having another topic, full adder using 2 off adders and OR gate. Okay, this is the circuit diagram and this is the truth table. Okay, till this we will be completing off adder and full adder. In next video I will be keeping the full adder circuit.